Hello viewers, this is Manoj from Isaac. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about my favorite programming language to those who has no idea about programming. We humans communicate in several languages like English, Hindi, Telugu, etc. But we cannot communicate with machines or PCs with these languages, as they can understand only binary data, zeros and ones, which are fed into the processor in form of pulses as an instructions. So we need a medium which can link between us, which are nothing but the programming language, and the procedure of instructing them is nothing but the programming. I choose C as my favorite programming language. I had a great experience using C programming language. There is a certain rules and certain procedure in order to execute a program in C. First step is writing the code. We cannot write like English sentences as we speak in English, but the instructions are in English language. For example, let me explain the entire procedure with an example, printing some message on the screen. First of all, we have to include stdio.h, which is nothing but a library function for input and output functions. Stdio means STD, standard input and output. From that we use printf function. Printf function is used to print something on the screen. And then after including stdio.h, we have to start a function called main. Main function is nothing but when the executor starts executing, it starts the execution from the main function, first instruction of the main function. So main function is used to start the process of execution. After starting the main function, we have to write the printf statement and the message we need to print on the screen with followed by a semicolon. After completing writing the code, we have to go to the process of compilation. What is compilation? Compilation is nothing but the process of converting the code into the machine understandable instructions. That is what we want. So while in the process of compilation, if the processor doesn't understand anything that we wrote, it throws this part of code I didn't understand in the form of errors. After completing all the errors, the next part is linking. Linking is nothing but as we wrote the code in the C extension, it will link our C file and the std.header file such that we can use the printf function. And any other functions we can include and we can use from the library. After linking part, our program is ready for the execution. So we can execute our program. After executing the program, the message will be printed on the screen. This is the procedure for executing any program. I explained with a simple program, but if you want to do some really hard coding, learn the C language. It's really great language for doing many things. There are many features in C, such as arrays, strings, good data types, structures, unions, pointers, etc. We can do magics using C language. Thank you for watching my video.